Internshala is giving away something huge right now. A free 1 year Gemini Plus subscription for a college students. That's a subscription people pay for. And most students don't even know this exists. I'm going to show you the exact screen click by click so you don't miss it. Okay, here we go ahead. Go to Internshala and sign in using your student email. When it prompts you connect with a Google just like this. Now you will land on this form. Fill in your name, your gender, your phone number, your stream of study and your college name. Take your time on this part. One wrong field and you will have to redo it. Once everything's filled in, hit continue. And then there it is. I watch the screen right now. This tab pops up showing your Gemini Plus offer. 1 full year completely free. Just tap claim and boom, it's activated. That's easy. Now, here's the one thing you cannot ignore. This is one claim per person. So, if you're already claimed a student offer through this account before, this tab might not show up for you. If this just saved you money, hit like right now and drop a comment and subscribe to this channel. I will come with another new offer, so stay tuned.